You need help? It's hot?
Taught me. So we got the empty popcorn bag and we're going to reuse it to make popcorn in the microwave. So we're going to put kernels. I got this.
Okay, so, let her help you.
Let me just measure it out.
Slowly. Good job.
Good job. Next thing we added butter. I can add the butter. Oh, my turn. No, my turn. I added the butter. There you go. I'll just show you I add the butter with the kernels. Now you're going to fold it. This is how you close the bag. Now we're going to fold the corners. Like this, something like this. The next step is where you have to get the kernels, the seed or the kernel, in here in the middle of it. Because the butter is somewhere there, see? Now we're going to put the popcorn in the microwave for 30 minutes. Let's go! Do it! Let's put it on. That's the first pop. The popcorn is done. Let's taste it.
Okay, you still have a lot of popcorn inside. Taste it.
Yeah. You have to definitely try to check out. The popcorn is so delicious. Bye.